The H-6 bomber, a legacy of the Cold War era, remains a crucial part of China's military strategy today. Produced by the Xi'an Aircraft Industrial Corporation, under a licensed production agreement with the Soviet Union, the H-6 is a variant of the Soviet Tu-16 Badger bomber. It was developed and manufactured starting in 1959 and officially entered service in 1968. Today, the H-6 remains a significant part of China's Air Force. Approximately 150 units have been produced, with around 120 still in operation. The H-6 has enjoyed a long lifespan due to its design and versatility. Similar to the American B-52 Stratofortress, it has undergone extensive upgrades and improvements, including the ability to carry modern weaponry such as hypersonic and nuclear-capable missiles. The H-6 is designed with a 4-person crew and is powered by two Soloviev D-30K P2 turbofan engines, each producing 27,000 pounds of thrust. The aircraft has a maximum speed of 1,078 km per hour, a cruising speed of 768 km per hour, and a combat range of 3,540 km. It carries various weapons, including air-to-surface cruise missiles, anti-ship missiles, hypersonic missiles, and even air-launched ballistic missiles capable of carrying nuclear warheads. The H-6 can also carry up to 12,000 kilograms of bombs, including both guided and unguided, dumb, bombs. However, it no longer carries free-fall nuclear bombs, as it lacks the ability to penetrate enemy airspace effectively. Currently, there is growing speculation that the new H-20 bomber will replace the H-6, with expectations for it to enter service by 2030. However, while awaiting these advancements, the H-6 remains the backbone of China's bomber fleet. The latest variant, the H-6K, is equipped with the YJ-12 missile, a weapon capable of overwhelming air defense systems when launched in large numbers. The YJ-12 has a long range and high speed, reaching Mach 3, with a warhead powerful enough to destroy large warships. It is also highly accurate, thanks to an inertial navigation system combined with satellite guidance. Additionally, the H-6 is armed with the CJ-10A anti-ship cruise missile, which has an estimated range of nearly 2,250 kilometers and is capable of carrying a nuclear warhead. The KD-63 air-to-surface cruise missile has a range of approximately 200 kilometers, subsonic speed, and guidance via radar and GPS. It carries a 500 kilograms warhead and can strike both fixed and mobile targets. The YJ-83K anti-ship missile has a range of approximately 250 kilometers, a subsonic speed of Mach 0.9, and uses inertial guidance, active radar, and a 165 kilograms warhead. It can accurately strike large warships and is compatible with the H-6K and JH-7 aircraft. The DF-21D medium-range anti-ship ballistic missile, known as the Carrier Killer, has a range of 1,500 km, a speed of Mach 10, and a 600 kilograms warhead guided by radar and satellite systems. The hypersonic glide vehicle carried by the H-6N can reach speeds exceeding Mach 5 with a range of over 2,000 kilometers. It follows an unpredictable trajectory, making it difficult to intercept, and can carry either conventional or nuclear warheads. This capability allows the H-6N to strike targets rapidly while bypassing enemy air defenses. What are your thoughts on the continued operation of the H-6? Even with the potential introduction of the H-20?